Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video of my gameplay. I'm playing War Thunder. Hello guys, this is my first video for my gameplay. I'm playing War Thunder. Let's see how bad I am. Okay. Our team is capturing the B and point A.
We've captured the airfield. We must not let the enemy recapture it.
Okay. Let's see if we can help them. Let's start with them.
Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Oh, we got it. First kill. Let's help. Let's help our teammates. In this game, you should keep an eye on other players while you are attacking someone. People can attack you also. Alright, there is. Oh, our teammate collided with him. Second kill. Easy. He's coming for a fight for. He's not coming for me. That's our advantage.
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
Miss him. Now our team will get him. Or should I get him? What a bad shooting practice. Ah, he's gone. I didn't got the kill, but it's okay. Let's drop our bomb. We have to reload. Let's see. I got 2 kill and 1 assist. I'm on the reload now. I can't kill him.
A little more effort, and victory will be ours.
At the point we will reach him. I think my guns will be back. Yeah, definitely. I will get my guns back. Oh, we didn't get the kill. We got him. gonna die. No, we live, we still live. I think I should land it for repair. Oh no.
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
We are clearly winning.
And victory will be ours.
He got a 6 kill and 1. I'm sorry, I did not save my teammate. I wasn't able to save him. Oh, he's gone. Shit, he's got it.
The enemy has captured the airfield. We've got to act fast.
Shit! He got a reload. Bad time. We have to go.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
See. There is no one around, so I should land my plane and get the airfield back. Alright, leave it. There is no time, we are already winning. The game is over. 4 kills. Okay. So tell me guys, do you like the my gameplay? Tell me in the comments.